Here's how you can make up to 500% this week with one trade. We're looking at ASML, specifically trading ASMG, the leveraged ETF that tracks ASML with 2 times leverage. We are sharing this Agent Alpha trade completely free just because. The trade recommended is the July 18, 16 strike calls for as cheap as you can fill, probably around 80 to 85 cents. Let's break it down. ASML has a moat that's not just wide, it's getting wider. They have a monopoly on extreme ultraviolet lithography with decades of R&D making them indispensable. Every leading-edge chip from TSMC, Intel, Samsung touches an ASML machine. Now they're shipping high-NA EUV machines, which are around $500 million a pop, which allow for tight 2-nanometer logic nodes. These are critical for the smallest AI-grade chips. They've got a $35 billion backlog, which is basically full year of revenue already booked, and 30% of revenue now comes from services and upgrades at even fatter margins. If this sounds familiar, it should, because the only other name posting these kinds of numbers and earnings momentum was NVIDIA. Here's the kicker. ASML trades at a price to earnings growth of just 1.3, meaning you're paying roughly $1 for $1 of growth. It's one of the cleanest growth at a reasonable price setups in the entire market. Our ML construction model rated this as an 87% probability of profit given its 12 years of training on comparable setups. This is one of the highest POP we've seen this month out of Agent Alpha. And as for the implied volatility, it's got a 45% rank, meaning that a big move is not yet priced in. Everything's lined up. Try and scoop these contracts for as cheap as you can tomorrow, and good luck.